Meaning of floater.
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 Floater. The term floater can refer to different things depending on the context. In finance and economics, a floater is a type of bond whose interest rates float or vary according to a certain benchmark rate. In medicine, floaters are visual disturbances that appear as small specks or spots in a person's field of vision. In general, floater can also mean a person who wanders aimlessly or a piece of debris that floats on the surface of water. The meaning of floater therefore varies depending on the specific context in which it is used.